Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to another coding exercise. Today we are going to write a program that counts down a number from 10 until 0 and prints the value one by one as it is decreasing. To do that, we use while loop here in this example. So we initialize countdown integer as to be 10, and then we mention while the countdown is greater than 0, enter this condition and first print the countdown for us and then reduce its value by 1. So then next round the countdown number will be 9. It prints 9, it reduces the value to 8, then another time 8 is still bigger than 0, it enters the loop and it prints the 8 and then it reduces the value. So let me run and then we analyze the code once together. So here, as you see, it says 10, 9, 8 until 1 and then lift off. So this is how the program works, as you see here. So 10 is the initial value. Is 10 greater than 0? Yes, it enters. It prints 10 here. Then it reduces the value of 10 by 1. So now the countdown equals 9. It comes back here. 9 greater than 0. Yes, enter. Print 9. Reduce the countdown value by another 1 value. Will be 8. So 8 greater than 0. It prints 8. It reduces the value again by 1. It will be 7 now. 7 greater than 0, prints 7 and reduce it by another 1 value. So we continue until it's 1. So 1 greater than 0, see out 1, we print the 1 and we reduce the value of countdown by 1, which will be 0. So 0 greater than 0, no. So it does not pass this condition. It will not go through the while loop anymore. And it says lift off. So this is how while loop would work. So we can increase and decrease the value in the loop. So previously, if you remember, we had 3 conditions for for loops. We used to have like for int equals I int I equals 1, I smaller than 10, for example, I plus plus, and in this situation, do something, for example. It is notable to consider this. So this int I part is written here, for example. This second part condition is written in parentheses for the while loop, and this last part, the incremental part or decremental part, is written within and inside the while loop. So this is the only thing that we need to be careful about. Otherwise, it's very straightforward and it's good for you to start practicing and coding hands-on programming so you can get to know these little things and these little steps to make errors and learn from your errors. Thanks for watching.